Yes, Animal Kingdom, multiple choice questions, part 3. Which of the following are monoecious? What is monoecious? Presence of male female reproductive system in the same animal, we can say monoecious. That Asci helminthes is unisexual, Ascaris, Ucaria, Enchalostoma, all these are unisexual animal. That means we call them as dioecious. So Nereis is also unisexual, so even it belongs to Annelida. Nereis also unisexual. So let's talk about Ferritima and Hirudinaria. So what is our number 2? Ferritima and Hirudinaria. Both are unisexual. First true coelomates are. First true coelomates are. Eucoelom or true coelom starts from phylum Annelida to Chordata. Starts from Annelida and with Chordata. Whereas Platyhelminthes are acylomates, whereas Ascihelminthes pseudocoelomates. So the first true coelomates, Nereis, Annelida, Centipede, Arthropoda, Crab, Arthropoda, Ocarina, Ascihelminthes. So what we need from Annelida, an animal example from Annelida. So our answer is Nereis. Following features belongs to which of the following phylum? The following features are belongs to which of the following phylum? It's triploblastic. Triploblastic means phylum Platyhelminthes to Chordata will come. Bilateral symmetry. Platyhelminthes to Chordata will come. Eucoelomate. Annelida to Chordata will come. Metamerism. Metameric segmentation is a characteristic feature of Annelida, Arthropoda, a little bit Chordata also. So let's see our phylum here that we have among the three. Annelida is there. So go with Annelida. Which of the following is correct about Parapodia? Para, aside, poda, legs. Parapodia is a characteristic feature of phylum Annelida, particularly class Polychaeta. That we can say Nereis. We have an example Nereis. They are longitudinal muscle which help in locomotion. Yeah, they have longitudinal muscle and so they have circular muscles. It helps in swimming. Yes, they are helpful in swimming. But which of the following is correct about Parapodia? Parapodia. What is Parapodia? They are appendages of Nereis. We can say they are appendages of Nereis. But here it is given dorsal appendages. What are they? Lateral appendages. So, if it is here lateral appendages, we have to select this option, but it is given helps in swimming. Yeah, Parapodia helpful for swimming and being vascularized, they are also for respiration. So, among the given, I am selecting it helps in swimming. Which of the following is the largest phylum? Largest phylum is Arthropoda. Direct question, direct answer. Phylum Arthropoda. Second largest is given as Mollusca. How many species named on Earth is Arthropoda? One by two, that means half, two third, one fourth, three fourth. Two third is given as phylum Arthropoda. In which of the following phylum the body is generally divided into head, thorax, abdomen? In which of the following phylum the body is generally divided into head, thorax, abdomen? Head, thorax, abdomen. Head, mantle, foot, mollusca. Then no specific segmentation excepting Nereis, head and trunk in Annelida. Whereas head, thorax, abdomen is a characteristic feature of phylum Arthropoda. Which of the following phylum shows segmentation? Previous year question. Annelida, Arthropoda, Platyhelminthes, tapeworm is also having some segmentation, but that's not true segmentation. Pseudometameric segmentation we can say. So in the given Annelida and Arthropoda, you have to select Chordata also. Chordata is not given, so that's why I am going with both A and B. Following features are seen in which of the below options? Exoskeleton of chitin, Malphigian tubules as excretory organ, tracheal system for respiration, three pairs of legs in thoracic region. There we can understand it is given from phylum Arthropoda, but all the examples looking here belongs to phylum Arthropoda only. Limulus, they have book gills for respiration. Prawn, gills for respiration. Spider, little bit chance. Spider. So let's see once again, exoskeleton of chitin, malphizian tibial as excretory organ, tracheal system for respiration. Three pairs of legs in thoracic region is the exclusive feature of cockroach. There are four pairs in spider. Respiration occurs through organs like gills, book lungs, or tracheal system found in phylum. Straight away, phylum is Arthropoda. Phylum Arthropoda. Respiration, book lung. Tracheal system is enough to recognize phylum Arthropoda. Which of the following are sensory organs in phylum Arthropoda? Simple or compound eye, statocyst or balancing organ, and Malphizian tubule antennae. Malphizian tubule is excretory organ, isn't it? So, all except 3. Which of the following is correct about reproduction in arthropods? Which of the following is correct about reproduction in arthropods? That arthropods are usually dioecious, mostly oviparous, internal fertilization, some exhibit parthenogenesis, all of these. In reproduction in arthropods, they are saying usually dioecious, mostly oviparous, fertilization internal, and some exhibit parthenogenesis, like honeybee. They are talking about parthenogenesis. Ecdysis, not in NCERT at present, just for information only. Ecdysis is a characteristic feature of Nereis phyla sea urchin cockroach. Ecdysis will done by a hormone called ecdysone. Molting, we can say. We have a straight name molting in NCERT. There are 13 molts required for the cockroach to become a nymph to adult. So, ecdysis, a process of molting, we can say, which occurs in the process of growth from nymph to adult. Exoskeleton of arthropods are chitinous and it shades at interval for the growth and development process known as we said now, ecdysis or molting. Segmentation pattern we say metamerism. To me, cutting, not to me, self-cutting. Some of the lizards are having this. Lizard, what I mean, reptile, Hemidactylus, wall lizard. Estivation is a characteristic feature of, according to NCERT, that frog. Presence of jointed appendages is a speciality of the phylum. Appendages means outgrowths of the body. Appendages is a characteristic feature of phylum Arthropoda. Phylum Arthropoda is jointed appendages. Bilaterally symmetrical, triploblastic, segmented, coelomate, covered by chitinous exoskeleton. See here, bilateral symmetry. It's there from phylum Platyhelminthes to Chordata. Multiple answers will come for us. Means almost all are answers here. If you take only bilateral symmetry, if you take only triploblastic, all the 4 options. Segmented, Annelida and Arthropoda will come. A little bit vertebrate also. Amphibia even. Coelomate, all are coelomates. Annelida to Chordata are coelomate. So what makes us to answer? Chitinous exoskeleton is a characteristic feature of phylum Arthropoda. Which of the following is true for Arthropoda? Which of the following is true for Arthropoda? Development may be direct or indirect, open circulatory system, excretion takes place by green gland, coxal gland, and Malphizian tubule. Characteristic features of Arthropoda they are asking, all are the characteristic features of phylum Arthropoda. Select from the following the total number of useful insects. Apis, honeybee it is, Bombyx, silkworm, produce the silk, apis, honeybee, produce honey, laxifer, lac insect, lac, they produce, even have commercial importance, Anopheles, Culex, Aedes. These 3 are mosquitoes, isn't it? Prawn, having edible commercial importance, Scorpion, not much, Locust, Limulus, not having. So, our answer will be first 3, Apis, Bombyx, Laxifer. Select from the following the total number of organisms that belongs to the phylum Arthropoda. Locust, gregarious pest, we can see. Butterfly, Arthropoda, moth, we have so many moths. Scorpion, yes, phylum Arthropoda. Prawn, Arthropoda. Salpa doliolum belongs to subphylum Urocardata. Phyla, Phyla belongs to apple snail, mollusca. Chiton, Chiton is belongs to phylum Mollusca. Antedon, sea lily, phylum Echinodermata. Hyla, tree frog, frog, we said amphibia. Mixin, hackfish, cyclostomata it belongs to. Locust, gregarious pest, okay, again it came. Loligo, squid, Arthropoda itself. Culex, mosquito, Arthropoda. Cucumeria, sea cucumber, phylum Echinodermata. Cuttlefish, mollusca. So, 6 it will come. Let me check. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have to 5. Loligo and Culex. Locust we should not consider because already came. Even though we don't have number 7, 6 only given. Locust, locust, double time. Select the living fossil from the following: Culex, silkworm, lac insect, limulus. Living fossil, limulus, king crab. Following mosquitoes used as vector for various diseases: Culex, Culex pipens, Culex fatigans, vector for Coraria bankrafti filaria disease. Anopheles, well known, spreading malaria. Aedes, even well known, dengue, it spread. So, all of these. Other name of limulus is king crab. Laxifer lac insect, locust gregarious pest. Itself, locust is gregarious pest. Gregarious means living in the form of groups. Which of the following is a gregarious pest? Asking about the same. Gregarious means pest will come in the groups. Uh, Laxifer, lac insect, locusta, locust, gregarious pest, and that is the answer. So, need to do the math the following here. Let's go with math the following. Locusta, locusta, where it is? Locust, okay. Honeybee, apis, silkworm, bombyx, lac insect, then here it is, laxifer. So, answer will be second option. Okay. Which of the following belongs to arthropods? Peripatus and crab, prawn and scorpion, centipede and cockroach. Peripatus and crab, prawn and scorpion, centipede and cockroach. All of these. Animals with soft body, bilateral symmetry, triploblastic, unsegmented, usually protected by a shell made up of calcium carbonate, belongs to the phylum. Here, what makes us to select the phylum Porifera? Calcium carbonate shell is there. Echinodermata is also having calcium carbonate shell. But Porifera can be skipped out by bilateral symmetry, triploblastic nature. Echinodermata we can skip by looking what? Soft body. Spiny body, echinoes, the spine, derm means skin, arthropoda jointed, bilateral okay, triploblastic okay, unsegmented, we can remove arthropoda. So, straight away, this is the characteristic feature which we are making to recognize that a soft bodied animals, we can say soft bodied, is soft bodied, molluscans are said to be soft bodied. Characteristic feature of phylum Mollusca. Mouth which has file-like rasping organ for feeding called radula is found in. Radula, straight question. Mollusca, hemichordata, echinodermata, phylum Arthropoda. So, straight question, straight answer. Phylum Mollusca is having the structure radula. The body of dash is unsegmented with a distinct head, muscular foot, visceral mass. Head, foot, visceral mass or hump is the characteristic feature of which phylum? Phylum Mollusca. So let's talk about individual examples given here: Asterias, starfish, Echinodermata, Ophira, brittle star, Echinodermata, Belenoglasses, Econworm, Hemichordata. So our answer is devilfish. Octopus. Which of the following is true about reproduction in mollusca? Mostly dioecious, oviparous, mainly indirect development, fertilization is external or internal. So reproduction about mollusca, dioecious, oviparous, mainly indirect development, fertilization external or internal. All of these. Which of the following is not a fish? Okay, not a fish. We got a question along with the answer. Let us see here. Devilfish, octopus, phylum mollusca. Cuttlefish, sepia, phylum mollusca. Jellyfish, Aurelia. They are not actually fishes. So all of these. Soft, spongy layer of skin forms dash over the visceral hump. Then need to fill the gaps here. A dash cavity containing dash like gills. So we need to fill the option. First option is ready. Mantle is there. Mantle over the visceral hump. And B, second option, which cavity? Mantle cavity itself. So we have A, C, D. Then what uh, type of gills? Comb plates is the characteristic feature of Ctenophora. So I should go with feather-like. So mantle cavity, feather-like. Anterior head region has sensory tentacles. So we have a match the following here. Phyla. Phyla is said to be apple snail, chiton. Where is chiton? Okay. Dentalium, tusk shell, sepia, cuttlefish, chiton, not given in NCRT. If it is like that, if it comes, so you have to do what I am doing here. So you go with the remaining, you will find the answer. Most of these kind of questions you will find in previous years. Little bit non-NCRT like they are looking for, but they are not non-NCRT. With the options you can manage actually. Phyla, apple snail, A2, here it is, first option and second option. Remaining are gone. Okay, dentalium, tusk shell, C1, it's over. This is the answer. So likewise. Okay. So answer is second option. Devilfish is called. Devilfish, Fairlister, Pinctada, Dentalium, tusk shell, sepia, cuttlefish, octopus, devilfish. Majority of mollusca are aquatic, terrestrial, aerial, any of the above. Majority of mollusca are aquatic, terrestrial, aerial, any of the above. Majority of mollusca are aquatic. Select the total number of organisms from the following which are mollusca: Hyla, Pinctada, Sepia, Loligo, Aplysia, Echinus, Antedon, Salpa, Bufo, Chilone, Neophron, Pteropus, Elephas, Pavo. So, total number of organisms which are mollusca. Phyla, apple snail, phylum mollusca. Pinctada, pearlister, mollusca. Sepia, cuttlefish, mollusca. Loligo, squid, mollusca. Aplysia, sea hare, phylum mollusca. Echinus, sea urchin, Echinodermata. Antedon, sea lily, Echinodermata. Salpa. Salpa, Doliolum belongs to subphylum Urochordata. Bifo, toad, amphibia. Kilone, turtle is from reptilia. Neophron, vulture from aves. Pteropus, elephas, pavo, mammals. Flying fox, elephas is elephant, pavo is the pavo cristatus. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Mantle cavity is a site of. Mantle cavity is a site of. It has feather-like gills. But we can say tinidia. They are for respiration, and also it is for expression. So answer is A and B. Shell in mollusk is external, internal, any of the above. Shell is absent. Actually, shell may be external, shell may be internal, shell may be absent. Various we have. So that's why we can say any of them. Unsegmented triploblastic eucoelomate is unsegmented. It is enough to remove ferritima, isn't it? Metameric segmentation. Laxifer, Ardhropoda. So, triploblastic eucoelomate, ferritima, laxifer, phyla, all are triploblastic eucoelomate. So, we need to go with unsegmented. Who is unsegmented? Phyla. Select the incorrect matching. Aurelia, jellyfish, sepia, cuttlefish, octopus, devilfish, loligo, squid. Loligo is squid. That is the incorrect. Select the incorrect matching. Gorgonia, sea fan, Adamsia, sea anemone, Aplysia, Antedon, sea lily. Aplysia, sea hare. Cucumeria is a sea cucumber. Tinctada, sea hare, Aplysia, cuttlefish, sepia. Tinctada, paralyzed. Tinctada is paralyzed. Phyla, Aplysia. Common name of which organism contains C in their name? Should know the common names to answer like this. Chitopleura, Chiton, as I said previous, Dentalium, Tuskshell, Sepia, Cuttlefish. We need C. Aplysia, C. Hay. Animals having calcareous endoskeleton with organ system level of organization completely marine. I think we can leave Arthropoda for complete marine because two-thirds of the species present all over the all types of habitat. You can say. Then leftover mollusca, hemichordata, and echinodermata. In them, organ system level is there for all because organ system is there from Aschelminthis to chordata. Then completely marine they required. Completely marine calcareous endoskeleton is the characteristic feature of echinodermata. In which phylum the larva is bilaterally symmetrical, adult have radial symmetry. Larva bilateral symmetry, adult radial symmetry. Phylum Echinodermata. Most distinctive feature of echinodum is gastrovascular cavity belongs to Coelenterata. Coinocyte is a characteristic feature of phylum Porifera. Water vascular system or ambulacral system is belongs to phylum Echinodermata. Canal system belongs to phylum Porifera. Water vascular system helps in locomotion, capture and transport of food, respiration, all of these. Yes, all of these. Which of the following is true about reproduction in echinoderms? Unisexuality, usually external fertilization, indirect development through free swimming larva, all of the above. True about reproduction. Unisexuality, external fertilization, indirect development through free swimming larva. We have so many larvae. Pipinaria, Brachyolaria, Ophiopluteus, Echinopluteus, Auricularia. No need to remember the names for NEET, larval names. Just remember indirect development. Find out the number of spiny bodied animals from the following. Phyla, Pinctada, Asteria, spiny bodied. Echino means spiny. Derm means skin. Spiny bodied animal. That means he is asking about phylum Echinodermata. So, you know, Phyla, apple snail, mollusca, Pinctada, Paralyster, mollusca, Asterias, Echinodermata, Echinus, Asteria starfish, Echinus sea urchin, phylum Echinodermata, Antedon, sea lily, Echinodermata, Cucumeria, sea cucumber, Echinodermata, brittle star, yes, Echinodermata, octopus, yes, Echinodermata, octopus, devilfish, mollusca. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And one more is coming, isn't it? Brittle star, octopus, mollusca. So, okay, we should not count phyla, mollusca, pinctada, mollusca. So, here onwards, we need to count. Let me check. So, one is Asterias, Echinus, Antedon, Cucumeria, brittle star. Yes, five itself. These kind of questions, answer is not enough. Five, which five? That is very important. Select the correct matching. Asterias, sea urchin, Hyla, Paralyster, Ophira, brittle star, Loligo. Loligo is commonly called squid. Asterias given sea urchin. Asterias is starfish. Phyla is given Paralyster. Pinctada is Paralyster. Phyla is apple snail. Loligo is squid. Sepia is cuttlefish. So, only on correct answer, Ophira, brittle star. Select the incorrect matching. Asterias, starfish, Echinus, sea urchin, okay. Antedon, sea lily, okay. Cucumeria, sea fan, Cucumeria, sea cucumber. Sea urchin belongs to the class phylum. Echinus, sea urchin. You say Echinus, easy to recognize the phylum. Echinodermata, Hemichordata, Ctenophora, mollusca, phylum, Echinodermata. Another name for Cucumeria, not 1M. Let's remove 1M here. Cucumeria, sea cucumber. Which phylum shows regeneration in the last part? Regeneration is a characteristic feature of almost all actually. The differences intensity wise, but should follow the NCRT. Mollusca, Annelida, Arthropoda, Echinodermata. In different contexts, regeneration will find over, but is one is given in Porifera and planaria high regeneration power. NCRT should follow. Likewise, bioluminescence is a characteristic feature of. Then also previous year question, bioluminescence is a characteristic feature of Ctenophora. We have firefly from phylum Arthropoda, like Pyrosoma, high bioluminescent organ from subphylum Urochordata. We have bioluminescent almost all in all phyla, but we should follow the NCRT. Extra knowledge is too dangerous. Which phylum has the following features? Digestive tract. Digestive tract is complete. Digestive tract is complete, straight or U-shape, worm-like, unsegmented marine animal. Respiration is done by gills, excretion by single proboscis gland. Circulatory system is naturally open. I think this is enough to recognize the pile. Proboscis gland for excretion is a unique feature of phylum Hemichordata. Phylum Hemichordata. Which is a phylum? Hemichordata is the phylum. Okay. Urochordata. Cephalocardata. Both are subphylums. They are the subphylums under phylum Chordata. So, Hemichordata is the phylum. Larva of Hemichordata. At present, not in NCRT. Parent Chimula, Amphiblastula are the larva of phylum Porifera. Ammoseed is from Cyclostomata petromyzan. Planula from phylum Platyhelminthes. Free living platyhelminths have the planula. Carnaria is the larval form of Hemichordata. Which of the following is correct about reproduction in Hemichordata? Internal fertilization, direct development, sexes are separate, monoecious organism. Monoecious means bisexual. Sexes are separate, unisexual organism. Direct development is not there, unidirect. Now only I asked about larva, carnaria. And most aquatic are having external fertilization, not internal. Body which is cylindrical and composed of anterior proboscis and a collar long trunk. Proboscis means we need to select from phylum Hemichordata. Acidia subphylum Urochordata. Salpa subphylum Urochordata. Doliolum subphylum Urochordata. So Belenoglasses, Sacoglasses are from Hemichordata. Excretory organ of proboscis gland is present in. Excretory organ of proboscis gland is present in Acidia, Salpa, Doliolum, Sacoglasses. Proboscis gland should find from any hemichordata, isn't it? So Acidia, Urochordata, again the same. Salpa, Doliolum, these three belongs to subphylum Urochordata. So I selected Sacoglasses from hemichordata. Fundamental character of chordate is notochord, dorsal, hollow, tubular, single, notochord, paired pharyngeal gill slits, all of these. All of these. Which is not a distinctive feature of non-chordata. Notochord is absent, ventral double notochord, heart is ventral, post-anal tail is absent. Not a distinctive character. That means non-chordate distinctive characteristic feature. Notochord is absent. That's a character that non-chordate. Ventral double notochord. Heart is ventral is that chordate feature. It is. Post-anal tail is absent. So chordate feature. Heart is ventral is a chordate. Notochord is absent. Notochord is absent. Okay. No, no. Notochord is present. Which of the following are the features of chordate? Notochord is present. CNS is dorsal, hollow, and single. Okay, which is reverse in non-chordate. That means ventral, solid, double, ganglionated in non-chordates. Pharynx is perforated by gill slits. Heart is ventral. Post-anal tail is present. So all the characters. Animal belongs to the phylum Chordata shows bilateral symmetry, triploblastic and the coelom, organ system level of organization, closed circulatory system. Yes, all of these. Urochordata and Cephalocordata are referred as non-chordates, vertebrates, protochordates, all of these. Urochordata and Cephalocordata both are considered as protochordates. Okay, then completing the part 3, then we continue with part 4, part 5, part 6 will come like that only. Might have noticed over the level of the questions are increasing here. So, in the coming parts, more lengthy and more logical. Animal kingdom generally logical questions are less, but definitely we will find a surprising question paper in the end, in the last part of the animal kingdom. That requesting you, animal kingdom, we have to work out a little bit more. So, for this, I made some special worksheets here, 4 worksheets I made, like example phylum. Example, common name, phylum. Example, feature. These two aspects from porifera to hemichordata as one unit, example phylum, example feature. Chordata as a second unit, example phylum, example feature. Four worksheets, audio and video available for practice to listen continuously, and their worksheet is also available here. Their worksheet also. Let me show you. Let me show you here. Uh, that worksheet. Search me as NEET SRIKANTH. When you go and you search me as a NEET SRIKANTH, you will find my channel here. In this channel itself, I am opening my channel. Okay. Here, if you go into the channel, in the playlist, you will find a worksheet for total memory part. I made as a worksheet. Let me show you that worksheet. It is given in the name of Silent Killer series.
This is the world's
In the
first.
Silent Killer series, there you can see, you can check actually Animal Kingdom keyword practice part 1 like this. It will come like this. Means here when it is coming, before it comes, you have to answer like Aplysia, sea hare, mollusca, Antedon, sea lily, Echinodermata, Asterias, starfish. So please go and check in the YouTube channel that one is example and phylum, the other is feature and phylum, bioluminescence, Ctenophora, Radula, mollusca, likewise. Okay, then thank you that we continue Animal Kingdom multiple choice questions and do practice continuously. That in all the videos in the practice questions I am saying there are 5-step formula. 5-step formula, that is one, read NCRT. Actually for Animal Kingdom you have to practice also individual worksheets as I shown to you in my channel. Then come with Animal Kingdom NCRT based single sentence questions. There you will find in playlist. Then come to the multiple choice, exemplar and previous. These are the 5 steps you have to follow for every chapter, not only Animal Kingdom. Animal Kingdom will get some additional work that individually you have to practice examples. Okay, practice example and means reading NCRT is very little. Once you read like a newspaper, what is there in the, what is coming into the mind, what is left over, we don't know actually. Out of 41 examples of porifera to hemichordata, so which example you can answer, which example you don't answer, you can't answer. That we should not speculate these kind of things in exam directly. You have to do the worksheet which I shown now. In the playlist, go through the playlist and do work there. Okay. Then thank you.